In this lesson, we'll take a look at conversions for dosages. So our first question, we're going to say ordered 4 grams of medication. Available. Tablets containing 15 grains each. So we want to give how many tablets? So we need to convert 4 grams into tablets. So we're going to start with 4 grams. And then we want to convert grams to grains. And again, I prefer to use the table 4. That is 15.432 grains. In 1 gram. And then we need to go ahead and convert grains to tablets. So grains, tablets. The question says a tablet contains 15 grains each. So 1 tablet has 15 grains. You'll notice grams cancel, grains cancel. We're left with tablets. So we'll take 4 times 15.432 divided by 15, and you'll see it's very, very close to 4. The result, we get this 4.112 tablets. So again, depending on how precise the measurements have to be, you could probably get by with 4 tablets. But again, always ask the pharmacist to make sure you are rounding the correct way. And please understand that grains is an archaic notion, so the conversion process, frankly, is more important than anything else here. Okay, so looking at another example, let's say a doctor orders 20 grains of medication to be divided into 4 doses. It is available in 100 milligram tablets. How many tablets should you give each dose? So we have 20 grains per day and 4 doses per day. So I hope it's obvious it is going to be 5 grains per dose, but let's go ahead and do the conversion here. We're starting with 20 grains, and then we're going to get what? We're going to get per day, and then we have 4 doses per day. So that means I'm going to need day on top to get days to cancel, and I'm going to need doses on the bottom. So we're getting 4 doses per day. So you'll notice at this point we are left with grains. We want to go ahead and convert this into grams. So grains downstairs, grams upstairs, and we see the conversion there is 15.432 grains is 1 gram. We want to then go ahead and convert this into milligrams. So grams on the bottom, milligrams on the top, and we'll say 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram. And finally we have 100 milligrams per tablet. So we want milligrams to cancel, we want tablets on top. And 1 tablet is how many milligrams? 1 tablet is 100 milligrams. So you'll notice days cancel, grains cancel, and we're going to wind up with tabs per dose. And we'll do the multiplication and see what we get. And the result is 3.24 tablets per dose. And again, is that going to be 3 tablets? Is that going to be 4? As always, ask the pharmacist. And practically, grains indeed is an obsolete notion, so unlikely this would happen. For our next example, we'll say that a patient weighs 150 pounds. And you are to give 10 milligrams of medication for every kilogram of body weight. So how much medication should you give? All right. So this person has 150 pounds. We want to convert that into milligrams of medication. So you'll notice we're going to need to convert pounds to kilograms to go ahead and make this work. So we check our table and we see 2.205 pounds. 2.205 pounds is 1 kilogram. And then what are we going to do? We now have kilograms, and this person gets 10 milligrams of medication for every 1 kilogram of body weight. So you notice pounds cancels pounds, kilograms cancels kilograms. Cancel them this time so you can actually see it. Result is milligrams. What do we have? 150 times 10 divided by 2.205, and we get 680 approximately milligrams of medication. Next one, ordered. GR. IVSS available. $50 milligram tablets. So doing our conversion, IVSS would be 4.5 grains. So we're going to need to convert 4.5 grains into tablets to determine how many tablets to give this individual. So we'll start with 4.5 grains. Let's convert grains to grams, which we've done several times. Grains on top, put grains on the bottom, put grams on top. We know 15.432 grains is 1 gram. Then we need to convert grams to milligrams. Grams upstairs, grams downstairs, milligrams. We know we have 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram, and then each tablet is 50 milligrams. So we need milligrams to go away. So we'll put milligrams on the bottom and we'll put tablets on the top. And what's the relationship here? 50 milligrams is 1 tablet. So you'll see grains cancels, grams cancels, milligrams cancels. All that's left is tabs. And be careful with the computation here. It can be a little bit tricky to do this correctly on the calculator. But based on my work, I'm getting 5.83 tablets. So again, if you're going to be giving medication, give 6 tablets maybe, give 5 tablets. As always, you are safer to ask the pharmacist. But what's most important here is to see the process that's involved in converting units into the type of medication that you want to have.